On the 24th of November 2024, at approximately 2:40 p.m., the Rari Outpost General Command (OGC) team intercepted a vehicle suspected of transporting contraband materials. Acting in accordance with the NDPS Act, a thorough search was conducted, leading to the discovery of significant quantities of suspected psychotropic substances. The seized items included 10 bags of cough syrup, Fencidal, each containing 25 bottles of 100 ml, totaling 2,500 bottles. Along with the cough syrup, mobile phones and the vehicle, a Tata Magic bearing registration number AS18AC6853 were also confiscated. 3 individuals from Assam alleged to be involved in the case were arrested on the spot. A formal case has been registered and legal procedures are underway. Authorities continue to investigate the incident to combat drug trafficking in the region.